Well, hello there, and welcome. Let me show you how to open a bottle of wine with a double lever corkscrew. Many people struggle with it, and that's why this weird thing was invented. But once you learn how to use it properly, you will never go back, because you will see that this is the most convenient corkscrew around. First things first, be happy and smile, because you are about to open a bottle of wine. Next, you need to remove the foil. Common sense. There are many ways to do this, and they are alright, as long as you get the foil off. Now, there is the first advantage of this corkscrew, the little knife. Now you screw, but there is a trick. If you screw directly, you can destroy the cork or even break the corkscrew. You should point the little tip from side right in the center of cork. This way the worm will screw right where you want it, in the middle. Watch. Screw and it goes smoothly. See? Right in the middle. Very nice, very nice. I would recommend to leave a little bit of the worm outside, because you don't want to fully penetrate the cork, for apparent reasons. About this much is enough. Start with the smallest lever, like this, and work your way up. Then switch to the longest lever, like this. Quick and easy. And we are done. Easy game. Please try this at home, subscribe, and see you around.